Phoenix, sa haba ng inyong pagiging magnobyo at magnobya, bakit si Princess ang gusto makasama panghabang buhay?
Nakikita ko po yung sarili ko na ibigay ko yung buo sa kanya.
So nakikita mo na siya yung magiging iyong panghabang buhay.
Hello, what a wonderful night when everything is wrong.
Sobrang ganda mo. Yan ang pumasok sa isip ko nung una kitang nasilayan sa hallway ng engineering department. You were wearing a green polo shirt at leopard print na Vans shoes. Akala ko pa noon, ikaw ay lower year dahil sa taglay mong ngiting parang kuting. Kutis na parang labanos at buhok na pang Victoria's Secret model. To my surprise, you're older, which made me more intrigued with the thought of you being mine.
Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's slowly getting.
Ikaw ay aking kinilala, niligawan at minahal. Hindi ko sukat akalain na ito ay ibabalik mo sa akin ng doble pa. Ako ay iyong sinuportahan, ginabayan, at inalagaan. Ikaw ang princess, pero parang ikaw ang knight in shining armor ko.
Don't you dare leave, 'cause it's slowly getting.
I wanted to give you something that mirrors your passion, strength, and drive. Qualities that inspires me every single day. As you take the wheel of Neri, I hope it reminds you of how much I believe in you, how proud I am of all you've achieved, and how excited I am to be your partner in this ride of life. With all my loves,
Tangled up inside your head.
To my answered prayer, Gal, as I stand here today, I am in awe of the journey that brought us here. God chose you for me. Out of all the people in the world, it's you I get to love, and it's you who has shown me the truest, most beautiful love I've ever known. Our journey hasn't been perfect. It's been real. It's been challenging, and it's been ours, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.
Ready ka na for later?
syempre ready na.
The birds are chirping, and the sun gonna shine. And I tell you one thing's been on my mind. This world we live in, well it's yours and mine. Let's make it brighter while we got time. We are people that make it happen. You and me just reach out and grab it. And I don't know what you've been told, but it's our time, yeah, it's our world. We're all people that make it happen. I see a difference, the day will come when all our troubles we've overcome. We climb.
Miguel, do you take Princess Macaraid to be your lawfully wedded wife, to share your life, standing with her in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardships and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
Yes, I
It's
do.
our time, yeah, it's our world.
Naway, mas maging masaya tayo.
People that make it happen.
For almost a decade, you have been my constant. Like what I said kanina, you're not the Prince Charming from fairy tales. And that's what I love the most about you. Your love isn't about grand gestures or empty promises. It's about you showing up, staying honest, and always being true.
Princess Makaraig. Do you take Miguel Rafael Aguilar to be your lawfully wedded husband, to share your life openly, standing with him in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, in hardship and in ease, to cherish and to love forevermore?
Yes, I do.
My dearest princess, as we start this incredible journey together, I want you to have something that supports your dreams and inspires your creativity. This MacBook Air is just a small token of my love and belief in all the amazing things you will accomplish. Here's to building our future together, one moment, one memory, and one adventure at a time. Forever yours, Miguel.
Ano kuya? Ano mo?
Kung lahat ng bagay sa mundo ay tama, sa kondisyong wala ka, mas gugustuhin ko pang maging mali kung kapalit nito ay lagi kang kasama. Ang pinapangako ko lang ay pipiliin kita. Pipiliin kong maging masaya, kiligin, lutasin ang ating problema, at ibuhos ang aking pagmamahal, respeto, at oras sa iyo. Magmula ngayon hanggang sa dulo ng ating buhay. I love you.
Okay na. Basta masaya siya, masaya na rin kami.
Yes. Huwag kalimutang tumawag sa Diyos. Tapos, pagbutihin ang pagpapamilya.
Opo. Opo, mami.
Walang nagmahal sa akin katulad ng pagmamahal mo. Your love isn't flashy or it's quiet, steady, and deeply rooted. It's in the way you look after me, protect me, and make me feel like the most cherished person in the world. And with that, I will always be grateful. We chose love when it wasn't easy. We chose each other when it would have been simpler to walk away. And standing here today, I am so thankful that in the end, it's still us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we now introduce you Mr. and Mrs. Miguel Rafael and Princess Aguilar. Please give them a round of applause.